Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to display the full file path in File Explorer. I show you guys how to do that. Just need to open a File Explorer, and now you just need to navigate to a random folder directory in here. And so if you want to copy this file path, you just need to tap the bar over here, double tap it and right click on it and copy it guys. Or you can also press in keyboard Control plus C to copy it and paste it to whatever location you want to save it. Just paste it like this and press enter. The file path will open like this, and that's how you copy the full file path in File Explorer. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.